This is part 2 on managing a problem rather than solving, video for entrepreneurs. Now, managing a problem simply means that you're controlling or eliminating um, its effects without fully finding a resolve. Now, when you find a resolve, whereas finding a solution, this simply means that you're addressing the root cause and removing it entirely. So, how do we do this? How do we solve problems from the root versus the symptom? Well, we got to identify the root cause. What is the trigger? What is the thing that's beyond the surface level that causes us to respond, react? What's the real issue? Ask yourself why this is happening. Where did this come from? What do I feel about it? Until you reach the core problem. Now, secondly, gathering information is one of the biggest components here, because this allows us to analyze or research within our own selves and seek out opinions if needed by trusted ones. So if you're having problems on your job, if you're having problems in your company, there are trusted people, you would hope, that you can bounce off the ideas in order to understand the perspective, which can help you find the best solution. Thirdly, brainstorming solutions. So as you're understanding the root and you're getting some perspective, you want to sit down with yourself and you want to process and think through the multiple layers on how to tackle the problem. Sometimes tackling a problem is much more than just finding one solution. Sometimes there have to be layered solutions or layered times of resolving certain things. And so short-term fixes could be the initiation of solving the problem. But realistically, you want to learn how to implement understanding long-term resolutions. Now, fourth, when we are evaluating what to do, the pros and cons, we are weighing out the solutions. Which one is risk reverse? Which one will work better? Which one will get us closer to the real milestone, the real agenda that we're trying to accomplish? And this is why really understanding what the root cause is, because if you are trying to solve a symptom, the thing that is happening because it